Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to open Instagram link in your external browser. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to open Instagram links in an external browser on your Android, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Instagram app, tap on your profile icon, then tap on three horizontal lines in top right side corner, scroll down. Here you will find website permission. Tap on that. In this, you can see third option, message link. Tap on that. Open in external browser. You have to just enable this option. That's it guys. So in this way, you can open your Instagram links in external browser. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.